Hey, what up, guys? It's the Harrisons.
Fuck. What up? Driving in 5 o'clock traffic.
Yeah, we're deep in traffic right now, but we're headed to Nashville for a Kanye West concert. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so right after work, I left work around 4:30. Got home. Actually, I didn't go home. Went straight to his parents' house, left the car, headed to Nashville. Right now, we're deep in traffic. We're not headed anywhere fast. But we're excited to be in the 615.
Get it up. Get. Going to see Kanye West, y'all.
He's so weird. Yeah, we're going to the 615, to the Healy place. Home of Dave Ramsey.
I want to see the old Kanye.
I
miss the old Kanye.
I love Dave
Straight
Ramsey.
from the gold Kanye.
I like the new Kanye.
Cause you.
I do. I like all versions of him. I even liked what was that album? Yeezus? No. Sorry, Kanye. I didn't like Yeezus. I did like a Skinhead. What's it called? Skinheads?
Black
Skinheads was an okay song. What else was? He had like 2 okay songs on the album. I don't know what you were.
New Slaves was nice.
New Slaves. I didn't like New Slaves. I don't know what you were going through when you made that album. That was a mistake. But what did he do after that?
Tell me.
After that album, hold up. Was that album that had Blood on the Leaves? What's the name of that album?
Jesus.
Oh, sorry, I lied. I kind of liked Jesus. I like Blood on the Leaves. I Can't Hold My Liquor. But that man can't.
Cause you can't hold your liquor.
Okay, I kind of like that one. Okay, I smashed your Corolla. Oh, yes. Okay, anyway. We've got some fans in the car.
What?
We got some fans.
What fans?
Kanye fans.
Oh, yeah.
Also have an opportunity. Is the battery dying? Really?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I thought you did the battery stuff. You didn't do it?
We got another battery.
Oh, there's 2 batteries. No fret. Yeah.
She was about to cuss, y'all. She cussed.
Home of Dave Ramsey. I want to go to Ramsey Studios and watch someone have a debt-free scream. That's gonna be us, y'all. We gonna pay Fannie Mae back. Yeah.
Fannie Mae back? Sally Mae back?
What is Fannie Mae?
You? I don't know.
Hold on, Fannie Mae is something. Fannie Mae. Is Fannie Mae? Fannie Mae. Y'all, please put in the comments below. What is Fannie Mae? I think it's something. It is right. Fannie Mae.
I don't know. Look at my blue hair though, y'all. It's silky. She just straightened it for Kanye West concert.
For Kanye. I didn't straighten it for you. I straightened it for Kanye. I would straighten it for him. But I straighten my hair.
She straightened it for me every time I ask for it.
It's actually poofy. Don't really like it, but it's okay.
It's good. It's good. It's fine. It's from Fleek.
Biggest insult in the world.
It's Malaysian.
Biggest insult in the world. Oh, you got a blowout. I said, no, I didn't get a blowout. I flat ironed this mug for 2 hours, but it looks like a blowout because Memphis humidity sucks.
Okay, sunny face.
Yeah. Anyway.
Peace out. We'll show you a little bit of Nashville when we get there.
Sure will. Sun's gonna be down in a minute.
Yeah. Walking into Crema. So I'm here and we got the croissant donut, the vanilla sugar croissant donut. Looks delicious. Wifey got the what you get?
I got a birthday cake macaroon from my time spent in France. I'm going to see if these are really good.
It looks like a super Oreo.
No, it's not like an Oreo. Macaroons are really good.
Super Oreo though.
I want to wait have my coffee to eat it. So.
Stone egg. That looks pretty delicious. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at that. Never had coffee like this before. Try some of my Cuban latte. Absolutely. That's delicious. Looks even good.
So we're off. We're headed to somewhere else. Where exactly?
Trying to figure that out.
Getting on the phone to figure that out. But yeah, let's go. Y'all left. Figuring out this parking situation. What was that? This parking garage or parking lot was trying to get us to park for how much?
$18 for 2 hours.
18 bucks for 2 hours. Hey, we should have known when we saw the Range Rover, the Lexus, and the expensive cars that this was no joke parking place. So we're about to find a meter and save about 15 bucks for 2 hours. No.
They ain't even like.
Nah, bruh.
I can understand if you had like an armed security guard maybe watching.
Nah, bruh.
Watching our car, just like standing in front of our car. Just
Here's a
watching.
meter. Nah, Nashville, bro. We ain't about to pay
Dang.
$18 for 2 hours. Nah, we from Memphis, y'all. You tripping, right? Okay. Anyway, there's a meter, and there's also
do you
a
see
woman
another meter?
climbing in her trunk. There's one.
What does that mean? There's one.
She's at that one. There's a bunch of meters across the street, but they're all taken. We're looking. We will find a meter.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what we get? What do we get? What's this called? The highway? Hot chicken and waffle. There's a god somewhere. The old spaghetti factory. I've been wanting to eat like traditional spaghetti. My forehead glistening in this sun.
I don't even like food that much. That weird.
Ariel, please stop.
Why you say that?
She said, I don't even like food.
At least at this point, now that I'm off my period.
What?
Now that I'm off my period, I'm not even like I'm grabbing this.
Laser Quest is here. So this is a national thing? Never knew that. Shout out to Laser Quest.
I'm talking about overnight laser quest.
Overnight Laser Quest. Shout out to Laser Quest. I don't think this is. Oh, it is Laser. Laser Quest Nashville. Triple A. See if she can hoop y'all. Look at that shot. Oh, she made it. Make it 2. Oh, not quite. Look like we the only ones here though. Shout out to us
We'll
being the
just
only
be shooting
ones.
each other.
I've always wanted to
I don't want
shoot
to
you.
shoot you.
I want to
really
shoot you.
do.
No, I want to shoot you.
So we ready to knock out these teenagers in laser tag. They're about to go down. Yo, married couple, running the laser tag, right, babe?
All day.
All day, look. All day, look. Yeah, you see the growth of the hair. The humidity has gotten a hold of it. I'm looking like a tiger over here. Like I say, when people think you had a blowout, when you really flat iron your hair, it's the biggest insult. I put heat to it. You can't tell though, look. It's alright. It's alright. Just fool. Alright, we about to go. We about to get in this thing. Right. Yes. Game over. Third place, babe.
I was in second place for the longest. For the longest, I was in second place. Who were you?
I'll take 10th place out of 18.
You did good. Yeah. Them little people are so low to the ground.
Laser Quest Beast Mode over. Woo!
Ari Schwarzy.
Yo, going to see when the bow breaks.
Yeah, we at this some nice mall. Whatever, it's like really nice. Got Cheesecake Factory, got a whole bunch of non-us's over here. We at the regional cinema. Can y'all see that mug?
We're the minority, but that's all right.
It's just like a big midtown, bruh. Real talk. All right. We ain't take. You know, you already know we can't take no video thing. You know, so we're gonna leave the camera in the car.
Who's in the movie?
We got Morris Chestnut, Regina King Hall, whatever her last name is. So it should be good.
The reason why we're doing this, we're peopled out. It's hot. We need some air conditioning, and we need some.
And we like to support black films. Let's get it.
Right. I don't think we can eat here.
We're not in. Where we at?
Princess? Yeah, Princess Hot Chicken.
Apparently this is the original hot chicken place. We're about to see what they're about. Check the line out. Line's ridiculous.